Welcome students. In this video I am going to teach you how to use the font option in Microsoft Word. First you have to open Microsoft Word, then you have to select the blank document option. Here I am increasing the size so you can understand it properly. Many of you don't know that there is a shortcut formula for automatic paragraph writing. So here is the formula: equal to rand first bracket open and close. So as you can see the formula, after giving the formula the result is here. We are selecting the first para, then we are going to the font tab. Here you can select the style of your own choice. Here as you can see that there is many style and there is lot of option. So I am selecting this style. You can choose your own style. Then from here you can increase or decrease the size of your font. If you want to bold your text, here is the option. For italics, here is the another option. If you want to underline your text, here is the underline option. You can see that there is many style for underline, so you can select any of them. If you want to increase or decrease particular some of your text or some lines, then here is the increase option and decrease option. Thank you students for watching this video. Here is for today. See you in next class. If you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button.